Now we'll be looking at between operator. So if anyone has any questions so far with my pace and all, you can type in the chat. So I will be monitoring the chat while we go through this lesson. Okay. So between operator, we have already seen this in where class. Okay. Between operator is to filter data based on range of values. Let's say I want customers who are between age of 20 and 30, something like that. I want employees whose salary is between 10,000 and 15,000, right? So that's where between is used, and it is inclusive, meaning I'm going to explain this in an example moving forward. Between includes both the boundaries, so that's what this both is the same topic. We are going to talk about this with example. So it can be used with numbers, text and dates, but I never use the between with text. I always use between like age or between hiring date, from so and so. I never use this with text. Okay, but you can technically it's possible using between on large data set. Again, it will affect query performance, right? So this is the syntax. So now here, right, so I am selecting employees where salary is between 10,000 and 25,000. I have 10 employees. I don't want to look at all the employees. I want to look at employees whose salary is. So these green colors are the ones that these values are have been satisfied by this between a combination of between and values. So this is the lower boundary, this is the higher boundary. So when used between, even this 100,000 is considered, right? And then here 250k is also considered in the between. Okay, so that's how you get three rows who has salaries in this range. Now here it's like birth year between 1985 and 99, so we are applying between on some other column. So the red ones are like these birth years are out of this range, either they are higher than this or lower than this, so they don't fit in this criteria. So we are going to eliminate these rows, and all the green rows will be brought back to you as a result set. And now watch here, right? I'm using between. So when I say between, even 1985 and 1995, these are called boundaries. Those rows will also be included, right? But when I say instead of between, you can also replace it with greater than and less than symbol, right? So when you do that, so 1985 is not greater than 85, it's equal to. So those rows will be eliminated. So if you want to eliminate the boundaries, go for greater than and less than rather than between and. Okay. Yeah. So here I am applying between on the dates, where order date is between like December 10th and December 17th. So that means it will also include those December 10th and 17th dates here. Okay, right.